Kirill Gorshkov, Ph.D., National Center for Advancing Translational Sciences, sits in an office and speaks into the camera.
I have the chance to be an agile member of the COVID-19 response team at NCATS. It's scientifically the most important time for me in my career right now. And because of our translational science work that we've done in the past, we've set the foundation to be able to shift gears and mobilize ourselves very quickly and mobilize our neighbors as well to face this viral disease and win.
Logo for the National Center for Advancing Translational Sciences. Hashtag I am Translational Science. Filmed June 2020.
My name is Kirill Gorshkov, and I am a research scientist with Kelly Government Solutions as a contractor for NCATS, and I'm a biologist in the Therapeutic Development Branch Biology team.
Our research.
First, I'm targeting the initial step of viral entry into cells, which is the binding of the viral spike protein on its surface. If you see an image of the virus in the news or online, the spikes that are sticking out of it is what I'm talking about. These spikes are recognized by our human cells using the ACE2 protein, which is the viral spike protein receptor. And so when the spike protein binds to ACE2, that's the first step in the infection process. And our work is trying to block this interaction from occurring to prevent the cell from even seeing the virus in the first place. Second, I'm working hard to develop new technologies to detect viral proteins in cell cultures in order to screen a large number of drugs in a short amount of time. For COVID-19 research, time is of the essence. Third, I'm working to understand how the cell's waste disposal machinery, also called autophagy, and the various functions of this machinery impact viral infection and replication. We can exploit the features of the virus to slow it down and block its ability to infect cells.
Lab life.
It's very challenging to keep up with the hundreds of publications that are coming out every month on SARS-CoV-2 and COVID-19. But in the process of writing up our own research, I give myself time to read the latest news and literature in order to stay up to date. I understand that almost everyone who is able to do research right now is working on COVID-19. So there is definitely some pressure to keep at it as long as it takes. Although we are in a state of quarantine, I would say I'm busier than ever.
Translational science.
Being a translational scientist right now during the COVID pandemic, for me, it's all about innovation and efficiency. Our perfect example of how NCATS leads the way in this effort is through our new open science data sharing website for COVID-19, where all of our efforts will be available for the benefit of the community. COVID-19 is too big of a problem for anyone to tackle alone.
Logo for the National Center for Advancing Translational Sciences. Hashtag I am Translational Science.